Welcome to Section 4 of our Email Marketing 2.0 video training, Advanced Email Marketing Strategies. In this section, we'll talk about Inbox Delivery Secrets Exposed, proven tricks for growing your subscribers list quickly, writing results-oriented newsletters and autoresponders, simple little tricks to doubling your email open rates, skyrocketing your click-through rates like a pro, and how to dramatically increase your ROI. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Inbox Delivery Secrets Exposed. Great inbox delivery is not only a matter of sending your emails to see who gets them and who does not. Successful email delivery rates depend on a lot of factors that can sometimes escape your knowledge, and that is why we are going to teach you the secrets for achieving great inbox delivery rates. 1. Including physical mailing address in emails. Delivery rates depend a lot on qualifying your emails as safe by email spam filters. Including your physical address is a great way to qualify as trustworthy to your audience and their email service providers. 2. Avoiding purchased email lists. Unless you buy a list of qualified leads who know in advance that they will be getting emails from you, do not use paid email lists. This is because emails coming from unknown sources are deemed as suspicious by people, thus sending them to the spam folder. 3. Requesting that subscribers add your email address into their safe list. Don't be shy. Ask your subscribers to add your email list to their safe list, because newsletters tend to be tagged as spam as time goes by. 4. Keeping subscribers engaged. Keeping subscribers engaged is the #1 secret to keep them opening your emails, which is a successful delivery guarantee for you. 5. Including easily accessible unsubscribe buttons. A simple but clearly visible unsubscribe button is a great way to build up trust, keep you out of the spam folder and inside the inbox. 6. Respecting unsubscribe requests. Don't ever ignore a request from subscribers to unsubscribe. This will not only land you on many email blacklists, but it can get you into legal trouble as well. 7. Using recognizable from names. Use a concise from name in your emails that you can use for all your emails. Using different from names on the same email newsletters can affect your delivery rates. 8. Using double opt-in. Make sure to send a confirmation email to each new subscriber. This will give you an additional layer of protection against spam filters and will also tell you how committed subscribers are to continue opening your emails. 9. Leveraging time of delivery. You want to send your emails at the right time. Use scheduling options in your email marketing platform to send emails according to people's time zones. 10. Optimize for mobile. Make sure that your emails are not only responsive, but also mobile friendly. Many people have gotten used to only opening their emails from their mobile devices, so adapt accordingly. 11. Using persuasive subject lines. Successful delivery rates depend on open rates to a great degree. Open rates depend a lot on persuading people into opening emails, and few things work as well as an endearing subject line. 12. Avoid buzzwords. Buzzwords such as, but not limited to, innovative or crushing are used by spammers on a regular basis, so it is recommended to tone it down and avoid using them unless the context calls for it. 13. Adding personal touches. Small details such as addressing subscribers by their name will help with your delivery rates, because personalized emails are more trustworthy. 14. Offering incentives to recipients. Offering incentives to your recipients is a great way to foster engagement, increase open rates, and ensure good inbox delivery. 15. Creating a sense of urgency for the recipient. A sense of urgency can also increase engagement when done correctly, and increased engagement means increased open and delivery rates. 16. Removing negative connotations. Positive connotations are better perceived by recipients than negative ones, so avoid using negative or strong-sounding phrases or words in your subject lines. Only use negative connotation in the content when the context of your email calls for it. 17. Emailing relevant content. Relevant content is content that is useful to your target audience. If you're sending emails with content that your audience doesn't engage with, you'll have a hard time improving your delivery rates. 18. Sending appropriately timed emails. Do you send emails too often? If so, then rest assured that they are being sent to the spam folder. Make sure to email your subscribers on a not-so-regular basis to avoid being blacklisted. 19. Segmenting your email lists. Segment your email lists in accordance to what you are emailing to each one of your recipients. This will make sure that your emails get delivered all the time. You can segment your lists by life cycle, interests, and other factors. And 20, avoiding keywords which trigger email as spam. Certain emails are seen by email service providers as overtly spammy. Phrases such as make money and words such as lease are suspicious to most email service providers, so proceed with caution. Proven tricks for growing your subscribers list quickly. Email marketing is all about using the right methods to engage as many people as possible through indirect email advertising. Why indirect advertising? You won't be promoting stuff outright. You'll only be leading people to spend money in your business by way of amazing email content. Now, email marketing is not something that you would do at random to see what sticks. Likewise, you would not email people at random if you're not sure about whether they would be engaged or not. The best approach is to find new leads, convert them into subscribers, and then into repeating customers. In this video, we will show you the best tricks on how to grow your subscribers list quickly. How to start growing your subscribers list. Create a high-converting website. A high-converting website is nothing but a visually appealing website that will make your visitors love your business, even if they have not bought anything from you yet. We recommend using WordPress because it is easy to use for setting up highly attractive, high-converting websites in no time. Use opt-in forms. Rookie internet marketers conform to using sign-up buttons on their websites, but nothing beats opt-in forms for growing your subscriber lists. Opt-in forms are sign-up forms that offer people the opportunity to get something from you after they subscribe to your mailing list. The ideal placements for opt-in forms are in the header, at the top right sidebar, in the middle of blog posts, and as pop-ups. Use search engine optimization to grow your lists. You don't have to be an SEO expert to successfully implement search engine optimization in your email marketing strategies. You'll only have to insert the right keywords in the content-heavy areas of your website where an opt-in form is placed. The ideal placement for SEO keywords are in blog post titles, several times within your content, in your blog post URLs, and as metadata, like in your images, file names, and descriptions. Use social media and forwarding buttons in your emails. People love to share what they like, especially on social media. So make sure to include social sharing buttons and forwarding buttons in all of your emails. Create amazing opt-in forms to grow your subscribers list. We mentioned that opt-in forms are a great way to increase the number of people subscribing to your lists. We're going to show you how to create one using a conventional email marketing service and one using our self-hosted email marketing platform of choice, MailZingo. We are going to show you how to integrate such forms on your WordPress website as well, so let's get started. Setting up an amazing opt-in form on MailZingo. Go to the Forms tab on the left side menu in your MailZingo account and click on the Create Forms button. Now enter a name for your form, select which campaigns to target, and hit Next. Select a high-converting MailZingo template by clicking on the Select Template button. Now, in the Forms editor, you'll be able to customize your thank you and already subscribed pages as defaults or as custom URLs. You'll also be able to select whether or not to send a confirmation email to your subscribers. We recommend you turn this option on. Then, you'll be able to modify the text on the template for your heading, your subheading, your social buttons as text, to insert a custom background image, and add fields to your opt-in form. Scroll down, click on Publish, and copy the JavaScript code that will appear after you are done. Setting up an amazing opt-in form on Aweber. Go to the Sign Up Forms section on the top menu bar in your Aweber account. Click on the Create Sign Up Form button and select Sign Up Form from the drop-down menu that will show up to go to the Sign Up Form editor. You'll be taken to a customizable sign-up form. Pick a template, select a nice color scheme, and click on Load Template. Now, you'll be able to use the Edit Header option to insert your headline, edit your opt-in fields, and edit the footer. Scroll down and click on Go to Step 2 once you're done. Now, you'll have to name your form and select whether to use a basic or custom URL for your thank you and already subscribed pages. Click on Save Your Form and then on Go to Step 3. Select how you would prefer to publish your opt-in form. You can select I wish to install my form to insert it by yourself on your website. My Web Designer will install my form if you want to email your form's code to your website admin, or have Aweber host my form to simply host your squeeze page on Aweber's servers and use their custom URL. The most practical approach is to select I will install my form and copy the JavaScript code shown in the field below. How can you insert your squeeze page into your website or blog? You'll need to paste the JavaScript code of your opt-in form inside your WordPress website's widget code. Start on your dashboard and go to Appearance and click on Widgets. Scroll down and select Text. Select Sidebar as your placement and click on Add Widget. In the title field, enter the text that you want to use for your opt-in in your website. Now, paste your form's JavaScript code in the Content field, click on Save, and on Close. The ideal placement for opt-in forms is at the top right sidebar. Click over the text widget and drag it above your first sidebar widget, and it will automatically save. Now, get ready to start growing your subscribers list. Writing results-oriented newsletters and autoresponders. Email marketing is a great tool to have in your online advertising arsenal, and having it automated is the best approach to using it. Newsletters and autoresponder messages are the two ways in which you can automate your email marketing efforts. In this video, you're going to learn how to produce and create them using both conventional and self-hosted email marketing software. Newsletters. Newsletters are informational emails sent by businesses to people subscribed to their mailing lists. These informational emails are used to send people information about promotions, new products, and general updates. Up to 90% of people prefer to be updated about businesses through email, so here are some tips for writing results-oriented newsletters. Use persuasive and creative subject lines. Make your newsletters balanced. Your newsletter content should ideally be 90% informational and 10% promotional. Organize your newsletter content vertically. Include only one call to action in your newsletter. Using a self-hosted email marketing service to create a newsletter. Start in your MailZingo account, click on the Messages tab, and select Newsletter. Click on Create Newsletter. You can either select the inline editor if you want to use templates, or the plain text editor if you want to send text-only newsletters. In this video, we are going to show you how to use the inline editor to create visually stunning newsletters with a few clicks. Start by entering the message name, the subject line, and your from name. Enter your from and reply email addresses below, and click Next to select a template to start setting up your newsletter. Click on Next once you're done. In the following section, you'll be able to select whom to send your newsletter to by selecting to include or exclude subscribers from a campaign list. Now, use the sending options and select to either send your newsletter immediately or to schedule it and send it on a later date. Once you are done here, click on Send to deliver it. Using a conventional email marketing service to create a newsletter. In your Aweber dashboard, go to the Messages tab and click on Broadcasts. Your options to create messages here are the drag-and-drop email builder, which will allow you to use templates to edit your emails, the plain text message editor to create text-only messages, and the HTML editor for advanced users. Let's use the plain text message editor. Start by entering your subject line. Use the Personalize menu to personalize the message and create your message in the text field below. Use the clip icon on the bottom left to insert an attachment if you need to. Click on Save and Exit when you are finished. Now, click on Send options to customize your message by selecting Schedule Broadcast. Use the Who should receive this message and the When should this message be sent options according to how you wish to schedule your newsletter. Leave the default message options checked and you're done. Autoresponders. Autoresponders are emails that are sent to people according to certain criteria. These criteria include new subscribers, website visits, purchases, and so on. Autoresponders are a great way to automate your email marketing efforts, and here are a few killer tips to write results-oriented autoresponders. Include a recognizable sender or a catchy subject line in all your autoresponders. Offer something of real value in all your autoresponders. Include a mix of informational and promotional content in all your autoresponders, and focus content on the receiver. Using a self-hosted email marketing service to create autoresponder messages. On your MailZingo dashboard, start by clicking on the Messages tab and select Autoresponder. Then click on Create Autoresponder. You can select to create your autoresponder messages with either the inline or the plain text editor. Let's use the plain text editor to create nice autoresponder messages with a few clicks. Enter your message name, your subject line, and your from name. Choose your from and reply email addresses and click Next to go to the email text editor to write your autoresponder message. You can click Next once you are done. Now, select to whom you'd like to send your autoresponder message from your campaign lists and click Next. Now, use the sending options and select to either send your autoresponder email immediately or to send it on a later date. Once you are done here, click on Set Autoresponder to finish. Using a conventional email marketing service to create autoresponder messages. On your Aweber dashboard, go to the Messages menu and select Legacy Follow-up Series and click on Create a Message. To create an autoresponder series, you can use the drag-and-drop email builder, the plain text message editor, or the HTML editor. Let's use the plain text message. Enter your subject line. Use the Personalize menu to allow Aweber to use subscriber data to personalize your autoresponder message, and then create your message in the text field below. Click on Save and Exit when you're done. Now your autoresponder message is ready. You'll just need to schedule it. Simple little tricks to doubling your email open rates. One of the most efficient ways to measure how successful an email marketing campaign has been is by taking a look at your email open rates. And it is not just us saying it. Plenty of online marketers agree on this. What are email open rates? Open rates are the number of people that open your emails at any given time for any given email marketing campaign. Great email opening rates is going to lead you to have amazing click-through rates, so it is really important to care about them. In this video, you are going to learn how to use both self-hosted and conventional email marketing services to apply some nice tricks that will help you double your email open rates. Use intriguing subject lines. Email subject lines are among the most important factors determining who opens your emails and who doesn't, and in doubling your email open rates. Subject lines are what will make your subscribers want to open your emails. To make your subject lines enticing, you have to make them intriguing. To make them intriguing, nothing will work better than creating open loops in your subject lines. Open loops are simple pieces of information that do not offer a conclusion and are open to interpretation. They open up an idea, yet they don't offer an immediate solution to it. They just tease it. Email subject lines can be used as open loops because they can be used to tease a bit of information that subscribers can obsess about. For example, something along the lines of, "Congratulations, you are in." MailZingo, our self-hosted email marketing service of choice, gives you an easy way to create open loops. It gives you the option of creating subject lines before you start creating your email's content, no matter what type of email you create. For example, you can just click on the Create Message button in your MailZingo dashboard, select your email editor, and see the fields available. The subject line field is located right below the message name field. Aweber, a conventional email marketing service, offers you a similar approach by allowing you to enter your subject line in the same window you are customizing your message, giving you some freedom just in case you need to modify your subject line later. Personalizing your subject lines. Everybody likes to be treated as an individual, and when you address somebody by their name on an email's subject line, you create a real sense of belonging in your subscribers. This will help you double your open rates. Both MailZingo and Aweber offer you easy options to personalize your subject lines. In MailZingo, simply click on the personalization menu next to the subject line field and select the name value. You can do likewise on Aweber by clicking on the personalized menu in the subject line field and selecting full name. Resending unopened emails. Resending unopened emails is a delicate action because you can end up blacklisted if you do it incorrectly. There is a simple way to do it without risking losing subscribers, and you need to simply change your subject line before resending an email. This is well worth it because if only a third of your subscribers open an email the first time and then another third opens it when you resend it, that means you have doubled your open rate. To learn to whom you should resend your emails using MailZingo, go to the Campaigns tab. Click on Create Campaign. This is a campaign to identify and email non-openers. So name it accordingly and click on Create. Now go to the Subscribers tab and click on Management. In the All Subscribers menu, select Messages, then Newsletter and Autoresponder. Then select an email that you have sent from the corresponding menu. Select Unopened from the menu next to this one and click on Filter to get a list of people that have not opened this email. Tick the Email checkbox to select them all. Scroll down and click on Copy. Click below the Select Campaign to display the campaign menu and select the campaign that you just created for people that have not opened your emails. You can now resend unopened emails to these people by going to either Newsletters or Autoresponder. Selecting an email from your Sent Mail archive, changing its subject line, and selecting the unopened campaign on the Include list in the Subscriber section. Send it when you are ready. On Aweber, you simply need to go to the Subscribers tab and click on Manage Subscribers. Click on the Select Field display menu and scroll down to select Message Not Opened. Then, click on the field next to this menu and wait for a window to load. This window will show a list with your email campaigns. Select the one which you would like to resend and click on Search. Below, a list will appear of the subscribers that did not open this particular email. Tick the checkbox on top next to Name. Scroll down to click on Export CSV and save this subscriber list to your computer. Use this list and upload it as your recipient list to resend your email. Use breakup emails. Breakup emails are emails with a notice of termination for inactive subscribers. This can be a suspended account or a termination of service, depending on whom you are sending this notice, and you have to instruct people that said termination can be voided if they take action. To create a breakup email on MailZingo, simply go to the Messages tab on your dashboard and select Autoresponder. Follow the on-screen instructions to send autoresponder messages and create your breakup emails according to whom you are sending this email, preferably by selecting unopened subscribers from your Include list. On Aweber, go to the Subscribers tab and click on Manage Subscribers. Click on the Select Field display menu, scroll down and select No Opens. Click on the field next to Since and select a date to trace people who have not opened your emails and are thus inactive. Now click on Search to get a list of inactive subscribers. Tick the checkbox on top next to Name, scroll down to click on Export CSV and save this subscriber list to your computer. Use this list and upload it as your recipient list to send your breakup email. Skyrocketing your click-through rates like a pro. We previously covered email open rates. We mentioned how important they are to get equally good click-through rates. But what are click-through rates? For those not in the know, click-through rates are the number of times that the content in your emails is clicked on. To put it simply, click-through rates are important because they show you how well your subscribers are interacting with the content in your emails. In this video, we are going to show you some nice tricks to skyrocket your click-through rates. Start by creating emails that are consistent with your brand and your website. Creating emails that are consistent with your brand's theme is not complicated. You simply have to add your logo and the feel of your brand all over your emails. This includes the type of images, the content, and the color scheme that you use. You can achieve this consistency in MailZingo by using the Inline Editor, a visual editor for your messages that will give you a nice degree of freedom to customize your emails, allowing you to add your logos, images, links, and color scheme. Likewise, the drag and drop email builder on Aweber will give you a lot of options to customize your emails as you wish, giving you the freedom to choose between designing your own emails or using templates to save time. Don't forget to make your emails responsive. There are many people that prefer to open their emails through their mobile devices. In fact, it has been determined that the percentage of emails opened on desktops is 28%, against a whopping 41% of emails opened on mobile devices. Whatever the case, it is important to keep the design of your emails organized, focused, and responsive. Both MailZingo and Aweber give you an advantage because both are built with responsive emails in mind. You just have to keep your emails uncluttered. Try to insert images in all of your emails. Sometimes it doesn't make sense to include images in some of your emails. It is true that your emails have to be as practical with images as well as without them, but you have to try to include images that make sense in the context of your emails as often as possible. This is because images help conversion rates on opened emails. It has been found that emails with images have a click-through rate 41% higher than emails without them. It is pretty easy to insert images in messages created with both MailZingo and Aweber. On MailZingo, the easiest way to insert images is by using editable templates to create emails. It only takes clicking on the images in your template of choice and using the media button to upload an image corresponding to your campaign. On the other hand, Aweber allows you to insert images with a simple button when you choose the drag and drop email builder. Simply grab the Image tab, drag it to the email field, and click on Click to Edit. Use Call to Action buttons. Call to Action buttons are very effective bait anywhere on the internet, and they are remarkably effective on promotional emails. Call to Action buttons are designed to incite people to take action, and they vary on their uses, such as Go to Page or Buy Now. They will work wonders for your email marketing efforts when used correctly. One unbreakable rule when using CTA buttons on emails is that you can only include one CTA button per email to avoid the spam folder. The second unbreakable rule is to use the right placement. Place your CTA buttons on the right side of your content to use the most important focal area in your emails. A nice little trick is to use directional and subtle background cues to make CTA buttons stand out. Examples of this include using a white background for your template and strong, vivid colors for your CTA buttons. One last consideration is to use call to action buttons for important links only, and text URLs for less important links. MailZingo allows you to easily adjust the size, color, and background of text on emails, so you can create attention-grabbing call to action buttons without much effort when you use templates from the Inline Editor to create your emails. Aweber also allows you to create really cool CTA buttons when you use the drag and drop email builder by grabbing the button tab and dragging it to the email field. You can edit it using the button box that will appear. It's as easy as that. How to dramatically increase your ROI. In simple words, return on investment, ROI, consists of a financial metric that evaluates how much money was earned on a business investment or as a percentage of the original cost. Applied to email marketing, here are some ideas to use it to increase ROI. Grow your email list. Use sign-up forms on your websites to gather new subscribers. Make them an offer they can't refuse. Don't ask for much personal information. Insert forms on your social media sites and optimize your landing page forms are all ways to use email marketing to generate leads. Segment your list. When you segment your email list, you can speak more directly with each of your subscribers to give them what they want to receive, and in that process make them buyers. There are some effective ways to segment your email list in addition to geography, demographics, and behavioral data. You can use segmentation based on subscriber engagement to identify your most active subscribers and focus on them. Segmentation by website behavior, segmentation by where customers shop, and segmentation by form abandoners. Keep your list clean. Keeping a clean email list is important for email marketing to maintain your reputation. You should check frequently to see how engaged your subscribers are. If they are not engaged, you could try to reactivate them or remove them from the list, so you'll have a list of just the people who are interested in what you offer. Test email performance and track the results. You can do A/B tests of delivered messages, calls to action, and subject lines to learn how people react. After that, you can see what works best and what your audience will like, make the changes you need, and improve ROI in the process. Make sure everything is mobile friendly. There are a lot of people that use smartphones to read emails. More than 50% of emails in the world are opened on a mobile device, so that's why it's important that your campaigns are optimized for mobile. Your subscribers will delete emails that don't display correctly in their smartphones. Use autoresponders. Email marketing offers you the tools to automate your efforts to make money even while you sleep. One of those tools that will make your work easier are autoresponders. You can schedule campaigns to send emails like purchase and shipping confirmations, sign-up confirmations, birthday emails, newsletters, follow-up messages, and more. Celebrate anniversaries. Take advantage of any special date to send a special email. Celebrate their birthday or their anniversary as a customer and make them a special offer or maybe a discount. This is a big opportunity to increase sales. Be as nice as possible. People like to do business with friends, so become a friend. Personalize messages, call them by name, and establish a friendlier atmosphere. You can also make surveys to gather opinions and preferences and maintain constant contact with them. If you do that, they will trust you and will become buyers. Provide value. If the emails you send provide valuable information to your readers, they will buy what you offer when they are ready. Offer useful content. The content you offer should provide something your readers can use, something that helps them solve a problem. You need to give an incentive to potential subscribers to actually register. Welcome to Section 5 and the last section of our Bing Ads video training. Additional tips to consider. In this section, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Do's and don'ts. Do's. Segment your contact list. Listing subscribers on different lists according to age, location, and preferences helps you communicate with them more effectively and thus increases the possibility of being read. Plan and set specific goals. Prepare a calendar with the tasks to be done. It's best to set a clear goal and follow a good plan to achieve it. Use highly effective tools. Using a good professional email marketing tool helps you make the job easier because it includes pre-designed templates and lets you track the results of each action. Test as much as possible. Send tests to different email providers and check if the message is being seen correctly, because each email provider has a different way of displaying content. Set a comfortable frequency of sending mails. Do not keep a very low frequency for sending emails to customers, but don't send too many emails because they can get tired and unsubscribe. Analyze your results. The reports help you analyze the behavior of users in each campaign, so you can test and modify what is necessary to improve and create more effective campaigns. Split test your opt-in pages. Split testing allows you to test different opt-in pages and learn which form gets the best results by generating the most subscribers. Include an unsubscribe link. Let the reader unsubscribe by using a link in your email. Those who are no longer interested can leave whenever they want, and your emails can avoid being marked as spam. Think about mobile phones. Millions of people use their cell phones to open their email, so use a design that allows the message content to fit the screen size of the mobile device. Include the sender's data. Including your real name next to the company name helps people have more confidence in you. Don'ts. Don't buy contact lists. None of the people in that list have given you permission to send them emails, so they won't open them, and your emails could be marked as spam. Don't send emails just to sell. The main goal of email marketing is to build a relationship of trust with subscribers to become buyers, so don't just send them sales ads. Don't use a personal email account. If you do this, you're not showing professionalism to the person to whom you want to sell your products. Don't write a misleading email subject. If the subject has nothing to do with the message, it will surely be erased and give you a bad reputation. Don't lose contact with subscribers. Maintain a constant relationship with subscribers. Offer them content of value that keeps them interested, always expecting more, and make them loyal. Don't create complicated forms. When forms are not easy to fill out and ask for a lot of data, readers may become uncomfortable and leave the page without subscribing. Don't break the rules of spam. There are some restrictions that apply to email marketing to keep you from being marked as spam. For example, don't use words like offer, free, or discount. And don't send false information. Don't send generic emails. Call people by name, congratulate them, explain why your product can change their life. Impersonal emails are of no interest to anyone. Don't send too much content in your emails. Very long emails can lead to laziness in people and make them not read the email. That is why emails must be simple, specific, and contain images. Don't stop trying. If the first attempt doesn't work, don't stop. Perseverance leads to success. Premium tools and services to consider. Among the premium tools and services to consider, we have Instapage.com. Instapage is a tool to simply create landing pages in a few minutes with a professional appearance. Some of its features include A/B testing tool, customizable templates, integration with autoresponder services, integration with Google Analytics, works with WordPress, mobile responsive, and works in the cloud. Its prices are basic, $29 a month, professional, $55 a month, and premium, $127 a month. Unbounce.com. Unbounce is a tool for making and testing landing pages to increase your sales if you have no design knowledge. Some of its features include it's simple to use, mobile responsive, publish to any domain, video widgets and backgrounds, customized with drag and drop, works with WordPress, and integrates with anything. Its prices are Essential $79 a month, Premium $159 a month, and Enterprise $399 and up per month. Leadpages.net. Leadpages is a web application to quickly and easily create any type of landing page you can imagine to get quality leads and increase sales. Some of its features include fast and simple, unlimited domains, easy to integrate, A/B test and easy analytics, responsive, and lead capture pop-ups. Its prices are standard $25 a month, Pro $48 a month, and advanced $199 per month. LandingEye.com. LandingEye is an effective tool that helps you easily build landing pages oriented towards conversion. Some of its features include over 100 templates, create a form to collect data, integrate with any system, A/B tests, manage database, and you can analyze the results. Its prices are standard $39 a month, Pro $79 a month, and Premium $109 per month. Wishpond.com. Wishpond is a marketing automation platform which has a tool to build attractive landing pages among its applications. Some of its features include lead generation forms, real-time analytics, publish on your domain, WordPress plugin, and publish on Facebook. Its prices are starting out $49 per month, Everything You Need $99 per month, and Rapid Growth $199 per month. Subjectline.com. Subjectline is a tool that helps you test any subject line to avoid problems at the time of delivery and marketing. As a result, it helps you increase conversions. Some of its features include it is easy to use and it's free. Phrasee.co. Phrasee is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to create effective subject lines that sell more. Some of its features include generates your subject lines, generates body copy, generates calls to action, and predicts what your audience will respond to. This tool is free. TitleGenerator.com. As the name suggests, Title Generator is a tool that helps you create titles for email marketing campaigns. Some of its features include: generates 700 titles with one click. It's simple to use. Creates catchy headlines and creates email subject lines. This tool is free. Iterable.com. Iterable is a platform that allows you to create campaigns to keep subscribers engaged by sending email messages to your users through any channel to increase your sales. Some of its features include segmentation, automation, customization, A/B testing. You can create workflows and beautiful templates. The price of this tool depends on the number of users and messages shared. Email Studio, Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Email Studio from MarketingCloud.com is an email marketing tool which allows you to easily create a customer segment, design a campaign, send emails, and generate reports quickly. Some of its features include dynamic content, profile attributes, simple automated emails, email tracking and reporting, and distributed sending. Get in touch with them to learn the price of this tool. Shocking case studies. Richminds.com. Wilson Lowe grew his business using the GetResponse email creator to create campaigns quickly and simply with a professional appearance. With the campaigns Wilson has made, he has sent more than 100 emails to his subscribers. In a period of 14 months, he increased the click-through rate by 230%. Only Influencers, OI. OI is an expert advisory business for email marketing, founded by Bill McCloskey. OI publishes a weekly 411 newsletter with the most important topics, but they needed to manage their list more quickly and get better results. Using GetResponse's services, OI increased the opening rate by 128%. Click it up a notch. Its founder, Courtney Slazenik, used Aweber services to grow her list of subscribers with pop-up forms to gather information. Courtney's list went from 16,000 to 32,000 subscribers in 3 months. It obtained an opening rate of 28 to 32%, a click-through rate of 5 to 10%, and visits to her website are over 35,000. The current size of her list is 47,000 subscribers. Smart Business Revolution. John Corcoran started using email marketing to create a contact list and monetize his blog. He began building trusted relationships with users with the automated mailing service known as Aweber. He now has more than 24,000 subscribers, an average opening rate of 17 to 25%, and has average monthly visits from 10,000 to 12,000. Jared Polin. His strategy using Aweber was to get subscribers to his YouTube channel to join his list of email contacts. For this, he included a link to transfer the users to a landing page in each video to capture their data. He built an incredible list with more than 200,000 subscribers. ShoeZone. They hired the Pure 360 services to improve their email marketing campaigns, both the design of the emails and the subject lines. It increased ROI by 1,000%. Its sales increased 100% every year. Their click-through rate increased by 15%. Their opening rate increased by 2%. Website traffic from emails improved by 150%, and hard rebounds decreased by 0.2%. Craghoppers. Craghoppers, associated with Redeye, implemented a strategy to recover users who abandoned their shopping carts. Their plan was to send an email 24 hours after they left the cart. This strategy achieved an impressive ROI of 3,088%, an opening rate of 61.6%, and a click-through rate of 27.7%. Bags Etc. Bags Etc. stores sell bags and suitcases. They partnered with the agency Genie Goals and devised a strategy in which they optimized email templates so they were displayed correctly on mobile devices. This company achieved an awesome increase in mobile transactions of 1,511% and an 850% increase in mobile revenues. Mango Bikes. This company, together with the agency To Infinity, created a campaign that consisted of sending emails to users who had their bikes for 1 year and offered them a 10% discount on accessories. Mango Bikes achieved an impressive return rate of 2,337% and increased the opening rate by 56%. We Do Technologies. They contracted HubSpot services, which helped them create targeted email campaigns. They also used HubSpot's email tool to create newsletters and event invitations. The click rate had an average of more than 20%, website traffic increased by 54%, and the acquisition of new subscribers increased by 93%. Frequently asked questions. Here are some questions people most frequently ask about email marketing. Is email marketing effective? Yes, email marketing is very effective because it maintains a direct and constant contact with people through their inbox. This can create relationships of trust with users and are more likely to make them buyers. How do I grow my email marketing list? One of the most effective ways is to create an incentive that can be of great value to readers, something that helps them solve a problem. Use subscription forms where they can enter their data to receive the incentive. How often should I send email to my subscribers? As often as possible without saturating the subscribers. This may depend on the type of business and the type of users. The behavior of users can help you learn the best frequency of sending emails. You can also do tests to help you learn how much is too much. What is the best day and time to send my emails? It depends on the behavior of users. Testing and studying your audience's habits is the best way to learn what works best. Should I segment my email lists? Segmenting the list is a great way to divide and personalize messages according to the interests of each subscriber and make contact with them in a more efficient way. Are there any rules to email marketing? Yes, but more than rules, there is a law known as CAN-SPAM, which dictates the following. Include an unsubscribe link in each email. Include the company's physical address or P.O. box. Honor the request to unsubscribe by not sending more emails, and avoid buying contact lists. What metrics should I track? The most important metrics to follow are the open rate, which tells you the number of people who opened your email, and the click-through rate, which means the percentage of people who clicked on a link in your email. With this information, you can learn which campaigns are giving the best results. How do I make sure my emails don't end up in the spam folder? One of the best ways to not end up in the spam folder is by using your opt-in list, sending emails only to those people who have given you permission to do so and complying with the CAN-SPAM law. How do I know if one subject line will perform better than another? The best subject lines are generally short, intriguing, and action-oriented. It is a good practice to do A/B tests to find out which one works better with your audience and then do more of that. How do I write a great call to action? To write a great call to action, it must be precise and simple. You must specify what you want the readers to do. It should be at the top of the email and also at the end, so you can make sure it will be read. Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Email Marketing 2.0 video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of email marketing on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate email marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 5 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1, Email Marketing Basics. In videos 1 through 3, we'll talk about what email marketing is all about and why you should definitely use it, automating your email marketing efforts, and regular versus self-hosted email marketing. Section 2, Setting Things Up. In videos 4 and 5, we'll talk about the 5 cornerstones of a successful email marketing campaign and setting things up before creating your first email marketing campaign. Section 3, Creating an EM Campaign, Step by Step. In videos 6 through 10, we'll talk about researching a hot online topic, creating an attractive lead magnet, setting up a high-converting squeeze page, setting up a persuasive autoresponder series, and sending the right type of traffic to your squeeze page. Section 4, Advanced Email Marketing Strategies. In videos 11 through 16, we'll talk about inbox delivery secrets exposed, proven tricks for growing your subscribers list quickly, writing results-oriented newsletters and autoresponders, simple little tricks to double your email open rates, skyrocketing your click-through rates like a pro, and how to dramatically increase your ROI. Section 5, Additional Tips to Consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of email marketing. I know you'll love this training. Welcome to Section 1 of our Email Marketing 2.0 video training, Email Marketing Basics. In this section, we'll talk about what email marketing is all about and why you should definitely use it, automating your email marketing efforts, and regular versus self-hosted email marketing. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What email marketing is all about and why you should definitely use it. There is a large number of companies increasing the volume of their sales using this powerful weapon called email marketing, which used correctly can generate great benefits for your businesses. This incredible tool offers great advantages, which will not only allow our customers to buy once, but will help them become loyal customers if we use it correctly. What is email marketing? It is a powerful commercial communication tool by email. It's fast, economic, and used to attract users with specific interests to generate sales. It consists of creating a list with names and email addresses of people interested in a specific topic or product through a subscriber request form, which aims to provide valuable information to attract those people. When people enter their data in the subscriber request form, it gives the company permission to send newsletters and promotions to their emails. This permission is important so that we can begin to build trust and a close personal relationship between potential clients and ourselves. There are some important things to consider when starting to create an email marketing campaign. Choose a good email marketing services provider. It is important to use an autoresponder. For each mail, create titles that arouse interest and a call to action. Create valuable, original, relevant, and interesting content. Include a link that allows the subscriber to cancel the subscription. Send emails with information of interest to the subscriber, and not only saturate them with offers of our products and services. And do not stop sending emails. It is not a good practice to send an email every day, but neither is it to let a lot of time pass between each email. Why is email marketing so awesome? Using email marketing as a strategy to attract customers will help your businesses increase sales and generate greater profits. Here are some of the advantages of this impressive tool. It's direct. The user is willing to read the emails because they have given us previous authorization to send them. We can create a professional relationship with each of our subscribers. It's economic. It reduces expenses. It's cheaper than using any other advertising strategy in other media, printed media, radio, or television. Allows you to have a database. With subscriber recruitment forms, people enter their data and a database is created with their names and email addresses. This database is available to communicate with each potential customer, send them information that is of interest to gain their trust, and then be able to offer our products and services so that they can buy them. Demands little time nor effort. You can make a newsletter or a general offer in a short time using templates that can be customized. Using the database can reach a lot of potential customers in a few minutes. It's measurable. Accurate information can be obtained, which makes it possible to measure the results of the campaigns. Allows monitoring and analysis. One of the best benefits of email marketing is that it is possible to track your campaign's success. It allows you to know how many people open the emails, how many click on a link, and how many buy. This helps you know what changes need to be made in each campaign to make them effective and reach more people. Allows testing. You can create different campaigns and send each one to a small percentage of your database to learn which of the campaigns obtain better results. Shocking email marketing facts to consider. The growth of email users and their frequency of use is incredible, which has allowed the effectiveness of email marketing to increase as well. Here are some important facts. The number of email users worldwide is forecasted to rise to 2.9 billion users by 2019. The number of email users in the U.S. is projected to grow to 244.5 million by the end of 2017. That number is forecasted to grow to 254.7 million by 2020. Most people are email addicts. 9 out of 10, 91% of email users check their email inbox at least once a day. 7 out of 10, 72%, check it at least 6 times a day. Gmail has over 1 billion active users as of February 2016. Consumers have an average of 1.8 accounts per user, and U.S. business users have an average of 1.2 accounts per user as of 2016. Subject lines still matter. Nearly half, 47%, of email recipients choose whether to open emails based on the subject line. Consumer email accounts make up the majority of U.S. email accounts in 2016, representing 79% of U.S. mailboxes. Segmented email campaigns have an open rate that is 14.32% higher than non-segmented campaigns. The open rate for emails with a personalized message was 18.8%, as compared to 13.1% without any personalization in 2016. Your email subscribers spend more than other customers, 83% more in fact. The lesson? Get your customers subscribed to your email list. According to August 2016 data from the e-commerce website personalization provider Brilliance, the best retargeting conversion rate happens when the first retargeting email is sent within an hour. More than 86% of businesses surveyed indicate that they plan to increase their upcoming email marketing budgets. Emails give you one-on-one access. The average American has 3 email accounts. Even so, 78% of people receive most of their marketing emails directly into their primary personal email account. Email turns coal into diamonds. For every dollar invested in email marketing, the average return is over $40, $44.25 to be precise. Automating your email marketing efforts. A good email marketing strategy is more than just sending emails to get new customers. Smart companies are using automatic email marketing campaigns. These are sent at the right time and to the right people, which gets more people to open emails. A good email marketing strategy should allow you to do your marketing tasks automatically. That way, your campaigns are working all the time and thus make more money. Why automate your campaigns? Email marketing automation is a process in which software can manage the segmentation of emails and handle different tasks to maintain a good relationship with subscribers so they can become customers. When you automate the process of email marketing, you can achieve better results and increase sales, all while saving time and money. How can email marketing automation improve your business? It is necessary to nurture the relationship with your customers so that they can become buyers. With automation, you can collect customer data and learn their actions and interests. This automation brings benefits to your business, like the following. You can segment customers according to their actions. Email marketing automation tools let you learn the actions of users when they register, when they click on a specific link, when they review a free consultancy, and other actions that will help segment the audience. You can optimize resources. It reduces the need for staff to check emails. You can create different campaigns and activate them at the same time. You can create several campaigns at the same time and schedule them to be sent according to a specific action of a client. You can get more high-quality customers. These automated processes make communication with potential customers more efficient, so you can get closer to them, make them trust you, and get them to buy your products or services. The conversion can be analyzed. Since you can monitor the behavior of subscribers, you can follow conversions automatically and learn how many readers become buyers. Automated management helps improve the productivity of your business. When you use email marketing automation correctly, there will be more conversion, which means more sales and more money. Email marketing automation tools, their features and benefits. Some of the most popular email marketing automation tools are Aweber.com. Aweber is an email marketing service provider which captures your subscribers' data by creating a list so that you can maintain contact with them and convert them into buyers. It's very easy to use with professional results. You can segment lists to create smaller lists. You can submit custom campaigns. It has many subscription forms. It has lots of templates to design emails, allows the administration of subscribers, and allows tracking of results. GetResponse.com. GetResponse is a simple platform that makes email advertising easier, allowing you to schedule emails to save time, get closer to your contacts, and increase sales. Its handling is easy. It's a powerful email creator. It has more than 500 templates to design different types of campaigns. It has more than 1,000 images to design different types of emails. It has an image editor, allows testing, allows you to schedule emails. It has an autoresponder. You can create landing pages, has a help center, allows integration with social networks. It also allows you to integrate Google Analytics. MailChimp.com. MailChimp is a powerful marketing tool that helps to keep constant contact with subscribers through email campaigns and allows the analysis of results. You can create your own forms with it. You can add forms to your website. Campaigns can be targeted by email lists. You can make custom lists. It has an autoresponder. It allows you to schedule emails and campaigns. It has default templates for personalizing emails. Users who are unsubscribing can be automatically managed. It gives you the option of integrating Google Analytics, and it gives full campaign reports to measure results. ActiveCampaign.com. ActiveCampaign is an email marketing tool with which you can track your contacts to create a trustworthy professional relationship with them through emails. Does normal targeting. Sends custom emails based on your targeting. Analyzes all data. It's easy to use. It has a very complete email editor and lets you track all contacts. VerticalResponse.com. Vertical Response is a fast, simple, and very useful email marketing service that allows you to manage lists, design campaigns, and monitor results. It's simple and easy to use, has a variety of custom templates, allows the creation of corporate reports. It has a capacity of 25 megabytes to store images, and it can be integrated with Google Analytics. Regular versus self-hosted email marketing. Email marketing is the best solution for acquiring large numbers of customers, creating relationships of trust with them, and increasing sales and profits. In general, there are two great ways to do email marketing, with regular email marketing and self-hosted email marketing. Regular email marketing. This is also called hosted email marketing. It is a service that is accessed on the web that offers tools to create automated and effective email marketing campaigns. Some of its benefits are: you can start sending messages right away. Technical configuration is not required. There are no maintenance costs. The delivery is great. They make sure the message arrives directly to the inbox. And the speed of delivery is incredible, since with a single click, all messages are delivered almost immediately. Some drawbacks of this type of service are: it can be terminated for complaints or violations of terms of service. You must accept its rules. For example, some tell you what you can and cannot promote. The cost increases according to the size of the list. You must do double opt-in, which is a two-step process. Many people do not make it to the second step because of their issues, so a considerable number of subscribers may be lost. And many services have limitations on importing subscribers, so if you switch your service provider, you have to resubscribe all users or you'll lose them. Some examples of regular email marketing are Aweber.com, GetResponse.com, and MailChimp.com. Self-hosted email marketing. Self-hosted email marketing consists of software that you install on your own server or computer, and it helps you create, manage, share, and send email marketing campaigns to a group of people. You keep control of the security of your data. You can do all these things with fewer complications and more effectiveness. Some of the advantages of this type of email marketing software are: its cost is low compared to what it costs to hire a hosted email marketing service. You can create unlimited lists and add unlimited subscribers. Generates very good reports. Emails can be imported in a very simple way. Speed depends on your host, and you have total control of your data. Some drawbacks are, it's important to hire a professional in some cases, requires installation of software and configuration, and blacklists should be checked frequently. Some examples of this type of software are SendBlaster.com. SendBlaster is a software used to create email marketing campaigns in a simple way in just a few steps to generate higher incomes. Using this software, you can create newsletters, manage lists from your desktop, have tracking services, manage reports, and improve your email campaigns. Interspire Email Marketer. Interspire Email Marketer includes email marketing automation tools to create and send bulk emails to subscribers without so many restrictions. It also allows tracking, optimization with split testing, automation for your list management, keeping your lists clean, and viewing the activity of a lead. Sendy.co. Sendy is an application that allows you to send emails through Amazon Simple Email Services, SES, and handles lists very easily at a low price. With this application, you can manage lists and subscribers easily, see the results in a nice report, manage bounces, handle complaints and cancellations, send your newsletter automatically, have custom fields, have autoresponders, and give your customer access. MailZingo.com. MailZingo is the most powerful tool for self-hosted email marketing used to create amazing and effective campaigns because it allows you to generate more conversions, giving you faster and completely secure delivery of emails to the inbox. You can have unlimited lists with no size limits and send unlimited emails, which you can easily track. This software offers you the best forms and incredible designs to create the best emails. It is completely easy to use for new marketers. Importing lists has never been so easy, fast, and unrestricted. MailZingo also gives you the best security, so you have complete control over your data and your email marketing campaigns. Best of all is that you'll make a single payment, forgetting to pay a monthly fee. Using this impressive tool, you can double or triple the click-through rate, the opening rate of your emails, and visits to your website, so you can increase your profits. Welcome to Section 2 of our Email Marketing 2.0 video training, Setting Things Up. In this section, we'll talk about the 5 cornerstones of a successful e-marketing campaign, setting things up before creating your first email marketing campaign. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. The 5 cornerstones of a successful e-marketing campaign. Achieving a successful e-marketing campaign is something that takes effort, time, and commitment. Today, I'll show you 5 aspects that you should focus on so you can obtain success. 1. Researching a hot online topic. To have a successful e-marketing campaign, it takes thoughtful planning and a good strategy. If it's done right, there's no doubt that new leads will be generated and loyal customers obtained. Keep in mind that success is produced by both, having good content and having it in the right amount. Make a list of some of your specific goals so you can recognize the best ROI producing topics. To obtain the best content, start with this question: what issue can my content help solve? After several ideas come to your mind, reduce the number to 5, then to 2, and then to 1. Now, having selected the correct topic, it's time to present it in the most suitable way. Creating an attractive lead magnet. When there's an exchange being made by you and the person who provides you their email address, you should give something back for free. That is a lead magnet. The majority of lead magnets are digital stuff, so you don't have to pay for them. These materials can be digital files like videos, MP3 audio files, or PDFs, which can be created by you at no cost. Some examples of lead magnets are coupons, cheat sheet, webinar, case studies, e-quizzes, ebook, consultation. What should a good lead magnet look like? It should provide value to the recipient for free. As you create your own lead magnets, keep the following in mind. Easily consumed. The object is that the recipient will use it. It's something relevant to your audience. It should be a problem solver. It's as useful or important as the service you're offering, and it can be used in the right way. Set up a high-converting squeeze page. You need to set up a high-converting squeeze page, so let me share 3 specific steps that you can follow. A. Select your social squeeze page's topic. This certainly is the most important step. This topic can't simply be the traditional sign up and get a free coupon. Instead, you must opt for a topic that is of interest to your audience. It is a nice idea to pick a topic that proves to be hard to find good, reliable information. For example, if your audience is a composite of bloggers, entrepreneurs, and people in related fields, you need to come up with good, suitable content for this particular group of people. B. Build your social squeeze page. Include these features on your site. A clear statement of what people will get from your site. A straightforward call to action. A luring video, no longer than 10 minutes. Below the video, make sure to add opt-in boxes and social sharing buttons. C. Promote your social squeeze page. Let's say that you have selected a fine video, and it can and will generate good traffic, but only if it's well promoted. When it comes to promoting, the rule is the more the better. Set up a persuasive autoresponder series. Setting email autoresponders will help you save a lot of time and energy. It will be helpful only if you write messages intended to convert your readers. Here's how to create an autoresponder series that generates sales. The first step is to plan your series. Establish a plan for your autoresponder series. You should have an email autoresponder series that helps you accomplish tasks like generating sales and building trust. You can have various email marketing objectives based on your company's needs. So let me share some ideas that you can use to increase conversions with your email autoresponder series. Offer free mini courses. Make sales on autopilot using emails. Let new subscribers know about your content. Then write your emails. And lastly, set it and forget it. Send the right type of traffic to your squeeze page. Something worth saying is that no one will ever convince anyone to opt in to anything unless they are enticed. Be sure that your offer matches the medium. Making sure that your offer matches the medium means that if you're asking for someone's email address, it's because it's required for delivering what you're offering. For example, if you want to show them a video or download a PDF file, it's not required to have an email address, unless you're offering an email course that includes PDF files or video. Reduce form fields. There's only one thing needed to send your prospect anything by email, and that is their email address. Anything beyond that is completely unnecessary and should be left out of the equation. Setting things up before creating your first email marketing campaign. Before creating your first email marketing campaign, let's take a closer look at some tools you should be using. Facebook.com. Facebook is a wonderful tool. It allows you to reach your audience very well. To succeed in this platform, you should do these things. 1. Post video continually. In social media, video posts are preferred. It has huge reach in different industries. All you need to have is good lighting and a smartphone. 2. Set up saved audiences. For targeting a specific niche, use saved audiences. It's really convenient. Custom audiences can be created based on set parameters, which allows you to advertise to specific groups, thus making sure your content goes to the right target. Reddit.com. This site is different than other sites because it's not about friendships. Reddit's visitors usually engage with things that are unique, interesting, or funny. This is a free and open sharing site. Some subjects that do very well on Reddit are worldwide religion and politics, heartwarming personal stories full of challenges, obscure facts about educational sites related to history, comics, food, fitness, video games, technology, science, music, art, and photography. Take notes from these samples so you can make your website content more unique, suitable, and progressive, thus giving you the best odds on Reddit. Pinterest.com. As a marketing tool, Pinterest isn't a site for scrolling through nice pictures. It's a huge search engine that has more than 150 million monthly active users. Guess who uses Pinterest the most? Women. On Pinterest, 79% of all users are female. This is great because women love to shop. Compared to other social media sites, Pinterest gets more than 41% of the e-commerce traffic. On this site, boards can be classified by genre, theme, or product type. Business accounts can display their showcase feature, which is a rotating gallery. It's a good idea to have your most popular boards in your showcase. With Pinterest, you can reach an entirely new audience for both sales and recruiting. If you commit just an hour a day to Pinterest, you will start seeing results. Google Trends, trends.google.com/trends. Google Trends can help you discover new ideas for products to sell on your website. Also, you can monitor your popularity and your competitors. The News Headlines feature lets you monitor popularity in conjunction with news stories, whether good or bad. MailZingo.com. MailZingo will help you generate leads and provide great inbox delivery, among others. It is definitely a powerful email marketing software. You can send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers, generate more leads from any WordPress blog or e-commerce site, and get emails delivered straight to inboxes. Aweber.com. Aweber allows you to use interactive emails to engage subscribers. Interactive emails, when used correctly, can be translated into increased click-through rates and email engagement. These interactive emails contain elements that subscribers can interact and engage with. It means that the elements can change because of clicking. Welcome to Section 3 of our Email Marketing 2.0 video training, Creating an EM Campaign, Step by Step. In this action, we'll talk about researching a hot online topic, creating an attractive lead magnet, setting up a high-converting squeeze page, setting up a persuasive autoresponder series, and sending the right type of traffic to your squeeze page. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Researching a hot online topic. Common knowledge dictates that you need to have an interesting topic to discuss if you want to fire up a conversation. Email marketing is a way of starting a conversation with your leads and subscribers, but you need to have an interesting topic to talk about if you wish to engage with them. Not only will you need to have an interesting topic to talk about, you'll need to have a topic that is of value to them, one which is also related to what your business is about at the same time. Finding a hot online topic will not only help you keep your audience engaged, it will also be the gateway to your audience. This is because you'll find your audience through the topics that are most relevant to it. You can say that finding a hot online topic is the first step to establish your online presence, because it will help you locate where your business's audience hangs out online. The internet makes it really easy to find where your audience is online by offering you access to the same channels where people and other companies are starting the conversation. You just need to know how to do your research correctly. Places such as Facebook and Pinterest are great starting points, so let's take a look at how you can use the popular websites to find what's trending on any given day. On Facebook. Facebook is one of the best places to find out what people are talking about at any time and in real time. You can basically use any keyword to get results relating to people commenting about products, events, and many other things. It is really important to get this out of the way right now. This research will provide you with organic and honest conversations started by real people on social media. That is the audience responsible for making things go viral, so pay attention to what they are saying and adopt them as your audience. Start by entering any keyword in the search bar at the top. It can be anything from the name of your product or service or any keyword that bears some resemblance to your business. At first, you'll see that there are some suggestions for pages, places, links, and public posts. Those that you see on top are the most popular among your results. These are the ones to which you should be paying attention. Now, there is a way to further filter these results, and that is by using the tabs on the top menu above the results. Each tab will lead you to a different type of Facebook content. You'll notice that the top tab is where you'll be by default when you make your search. This will show you the most recent interactions. Then, you'll see that there are tabs for posts, people, photos, videos, pages, groups, and events. These are the ones that you'll need to check to learn what is trending and what topics are being talked about right now. The Shop, Places, and Apps tab will give you an idea of what things related to your keyword people are buying. On Pinterest. You can use Pinterest to research high-trending topics the same way that you would use Facebook. Simply enter a keyword in the search bar and wait for the results to load. In any case, Pinterest will show you more narrowed results in the form of boards and pins. The way to learn what is trending is by checking how many times it has been pinned and favorited. As you can see, Pinterest is a neat way to find out what's trending in a very organized way. On Reddit. Reddit isn't called the front page of the internet for nothing. Anything that happens on the internet goes to Reddit. Reddit is great for two things. The first is for finding what is trending at any given time, which you can do by simply going to its front page and taking a look. The other is for finding more in-depth information about any specific topic. Use the search bar on the right the same way that you would use Facebook and Pinterest. You'll find inquiries, sweepstakes, interviews, and groups that you can use to find out what tickles people's fancy. On Google Trends. Google Trends is a cool and easy-to-use tool for visualizing data. You can use it to measure how popular and searched a keyword is. Go to google.com/trends and enter your keyword on the Explore Topics bar. Hit enter and it will show you a graph with peaks and valleys of popularity in the form of interest over time, geographical relevance in the form of interest by region, its related topics, and related queries related to your keyword on Google searches. Use all of these great research tools and leverage their features to your advantage because they can be used as your free marketing tools. Creating an attractive lead magnet. Attracting leads to your business can be a very expensive and exhausting endeavor in most cases, if not in all cases. You have to be ready to fork out a fat amount of your budget for advertising if you want to reach a decent amount of people, and you have to spend a good chunk of it creating an image and a product to bait people into joining your mailing list. However, that's if you don't know how to do it properly. While it is true that you will get better results if you spend some money on advertising, it doesn't mean that attracting leads organically and for free is impossible. In fact, there is a very easy way of doing so, and you don't need to put a lot of money or effort on it. We are talking about lead magnets, of course. In this video, we are going to show you how to create amazingly attractive lead magnets to get lots and lots of subscribers in no time. What is a lead magnet? Let's start with the basics. What is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is just what the name implies, a magnet to attract your leads. This magnet is nothing more than something of value that you offer to your prospects for free in exchange for their contact information, namely their names and their email addresses. A good example of a lead magnet is an ebook, which is arguably the most effective and most commonly used lead magnet. You tell your potential subscribers that they will get a free copy of your ebook if they sign up to your subscribers list. How do you use lead magnets? You send them straight to your subscribers' inboxes. You simply have to create a form or squeeze page to insert into your website. This will be displayed in the form of a pop-up, a landing page, or some other way, and will invite your visitors to join your subscribers list to receive a free copy of your lead magnet. Nobody can resist free stuff, even when they are not very interested in the content, but you'll start getting tons of new subscribers for whom to market. Now, how do you create an attractive lead magnet? Not all types of media will work as lead magnets. A lead magnet has to offer an immediate solution to something that matters to your audience. For example, a course that takes 10 weeks to complete will not get the job done. What are the most common types of lead magnets? Here are the types of lead magnets that work for every type of business and how to create them. Guides and reports. Guides and reports are a favorite among freebie lovers because they offer just the right amount of information to tease people into converting to customers. Guides and reports have to be created in the form of short ebooks in PDF format and 3,000 to 5,000 words long. The cover should look cool and professional. Ideally, it should have a white background, big fonts in the title, and some coloring. Remember, you are going to show it on your squeeze page. Cheat sheets. Cheat sheets are one-page guides that look like a blueprint. They can be in the form of an infographic or guide, include icons, useful information, and in a format that can be easily printed, such as PDF on a full sheet of paper. We recommend you hire a freelance designer to take care of this one. Templates. Templates are a huge success when it comes to attracting leads, and they can fit your business theme quite nicely. In short, they are simply a template that people can use as a pre-made guide to create something of their own without much knowledge. For example, if you have a blog focused on Facebook advertising, you can offer templates for a variety of Facebook ads. Video training. If you have the means and the skills to create video training, you should totally go for it. They are very effective at increasing engagement. They are seen as a greater value when compared to other types of lead magnets, and with good reason. Remember, video training should cover effective ways to use your products and services and avoid using them as sales pitches. Discounts, trial periods, and software downloads. There's something powerfully alluring about trial periods, discounts, and free software downloads that makes them high-converting lead magnets. You can use them discreetly in the form of free shipping, coupons, 30-day trial periods, and so on, depending on what your business offers. Setting up a high-converting squeeze page. It's no secret that your website visitors got there because they are interested in what you have to say. Mind you, they're not interested in your website just yet. They are interested in the stuff that they can find there. Not all of them will convert into recurring visitors just because they made it there, and a large number of them will ignore your subscribe to our newsletter button, no matter where it is located. In our last video, we talked about how lead magnets are a great way to entice visitors into converting to subscribers, and then to customers. Nevertheless, we were saving this one for last, the squeeze page. The squeeze page is, to put it simply, a page that you'll use to capture your leads and their email addresses. Landing pages are used as opt-ins to promote your lead magnets. They can be designed as forms using your content management system or email marketing tool of choice. However, there is a truth about squeeze pages that is often hard to swallow. Squeeze pages are becoming less effective when it comes to capturing leads. We're talking about traditional squeeze pages, that is. Before this video, you were used to one type of squeeze page, one that offered an ebook in a desperate attempt to bribe a customer into giving away their email address. These types of squeeze pages have been done to death, and the internet users of today know better. That is why we are going to show you how to create actionable, high-converting squeeze pages. Now, we want to clarify that you won't make a totally different type of squeeze page, because after all, you don't need to fix what is not broken. What you'll learn instead is to make actionable squeeze pages with social value. Write actionable headlines. The first thing that you have to do to create an actionable squeeze page is to write actionable headlines. Pick your landing page's theme and write a headline that describes a specific action. Instead of "Get our free report," you have to write something along the lines of "Learn how to turn your affiliate business into a 6-figure job with these 5 strategies." Add social features to your squeeze page. Simply adding social sharing buttons to your squeeze page can increase your conversions by up to 20%. Add a comment section for social proof if your form editor allows it. Taking those 2 steps into account, remember to keep the structure of your squeeze page designed like this: 1 headline, 2 subheadline, 3 call to action, 4 a video or image, and 5 opt-in. Now that you know the most effective way to craft a squeeze page, we are going to show you how to use MailZingo, a self-hosted email marketing system, and Aweber, a traditional email marketing service, to design high-converting squeeze pages. Setting up a high-converting squeeze page on MailZingo. Start on your MailZingo account and go to the Forms tab on the left side menu bar. Then click on the Create Forms button. Now enter a name for your form and select which campaigns your landing page will target. Then hit Next. Select an attractive template from the many offered by MailZingo by clicking on the Select Template button below each one. You'll be taken to the Forms editor. There, you'll be able to customize your thank you and already subscribed pages as default or as custom URLs. You'll also be able to select whether to send a confirmation email to your subscribers with the click of a button. We recommend you turn this option to On. Then you'll be able to modify the text on the template to insert your heading, your subheading, your social buttons as text, to insert a custom background image, and to add fields to your opt-in. Scroll down and click on Publish. Once you are done customizing your squeeze page, copy the JavaScript code that will appear. Setting up a high-converting squeeze page on Aweber. Log into your Aweber account and go to Sign Up Forms on the top menu bar. Click on the Create Sign Up Form button and select Sign Up Form from the drop-down menu that will appear. You'll be taken to the Sign Up Form editor. You'll be presented with a standard sign-up form, but you'll be able to pick a template for your form from the selections listed. Pick one, select a color scheme, and hit Load Template. Now you'll be able to use the Edit Header to insert your headline, to edit your opt-in fields, and to edit the footer. When you are finished here, scroll down and click on Go to Step 2. There, you'll have to name your form and select whether to use a basic or custom URL for your thank you and already subscribed pages. Now, click on Save Your Form and on Go to Step 3. Now you have to select how to publish your form. You can select I will install my form to insert it yourself on your site. You can select My Web Designer will install my form if you want to email your form's code to your website admin, or you can select Have Aweber host my form to simply host your squeeze page on Aweber's servers and use their URL. For this particular example, select I will install my form and copy the JavaScript code shown in the field below. How can you insert your squeeze page in your website or blog? Whether you use MailZingo or Aweber to create your squeeze page, simply paste the JavaScript code in your website's widget code. This will of course depend on your content management system. If you're using WordPress, you'll have to start on your dashboard and go to Appearance. Then click on Widgets. Scroll down and select Text. Select Sidebar as your placement and click on Add Widget. In Title, enter the text that you want to use to make it visible on your website. Now, paste your form's JavaScript code in the Content field, click on Save, and then on Close. The ideal placement for this particular opt-in form is at the top right sidebar. So click over the text widget, hold the click with your left mouse button, and grab it to place it above your first sidebar widget, and it will save automatically. Now you have a high-converting squeeze page to capture your leads. Setting up a persuasive autoresponder series. Step 1 for capturing leads is to offer something that can't be found anywhere else. The second step is to nurture your audience to convert them into repeating customers. You've gotten this far into this course, so you already know that you do it by capturing their email addresses and keeping them engaged. How do you keep them engaged, though? The easiest solution is to always stay alert, responsive, keep track of what your audience is doing, and communicate with your members accordingly. That is great and exactly what you should totally aim for. But think about it for a second. Your goal is to have as many subscribers and customers as possible. So how are you going to keep track of all of them once your subscriber list hits a big number? Your email marketing efforts will become a mess. The real solution to this is to introduce an autoresponder series to your email marketing efforts. An autoresponder series is an email series that your business sends on autopilot to new and existing subscribers according to their actions and needs. Anyone with a functioning email marketing tool can create an autoresponder series, but that can fail miserably because creating an autoresponder series is a system. We have refined it into a simple step-by-step email marketing structure that you can use to set up a truly persuasive autoresponder series. Choose the right email marketing software. There are numerous email marketing services in the market, and you can lose a great deal of time and money if you are lured into trying them all to find out which is best. Luckily, we have two excellent choices for you. First, we have MailZingo. It is a self-hosted email marketing solution. We also have Aweber, which is a traditional online email marketing service. Choose a goal for your autoresponder series. There are 4 main goals of an autoresponder series, and you have to tailor your autoresponder emails to target one or a combination of these goals according to whom you are responding. The welcome sequence. These are the welcome and thank you types of messages that people receive right after they subscribe to a list or complete another action such as a purchase. The lead magnet. We talked about lead magnets and how they are used on squeeze pages to attract new subscribers before, and this is how lead magnets are delivered. You set up an autoresponder email that will send the freebie to the subscriber. Sales on autopilot. You can easily create a sales funnel using an autoresponder series. Depending on your business, you can send out offers, discounts, or informational videos where you make an offer. Upsells and cross-sells. You can send autoresponder emails to people who have already bought something from you to promote other stuff for them to buy. Segment your mailing lists. You have to segment your mailing list into smaller groups of subscribers if you want to get the best results. This means that you have to hand-pick subscribers based on criteria such as demographics, interests, income bracket, and other data, and send these people emails that are tailored according to their profile. Map out your email sequence. In this step, you have to outline your autoresponder sequence, such as how many emails are you going to send, how often, and the content of each email over time. To give you an example, here is a common new subscriber autoresponder sequence. Email 1, welcome and thank you email. Email 2, introduce the topic of your product. Email 3, an explanation of common problems solved by your product. Email 4, an explanation as to why subscribers need your product to solve these problems. Email 5, promote your product. And email 6, remind your subscribers about your product. How to set up a persuasive autoresponder series with MailZingo. Start on your MailZingo client dashboard and click on the Messages tab to select Autoresponder. Click on Create Autoresponder. You can create your autoresponder messages with either the inline or the plain text editors. For training purposes, we are going to show you how to use the plain text editor to create autoresponder messages. Name your autoresponder series in message name, enter a subject line, and your from name, which will be the sender's name. Choose your from and reply email addresses and click Next. You'll be taken to the email text editor. You can click Next after you create your autoresponder. In the following section, you'll be able to segment your list by selecting a category of subscribers from a campaign list. Make your choice and click Next. The following page will show you your current settings. In Sending Options, you can select to send your autoresponder email immediately or send it on a later date. Once you are done here, click on Set Autoresponder to finish. How to set up a persuasive autoresponder series with Aweber. Start on your Aweber dashboard. Place your mouse over the Messages menu and select Legacy Follow-Up Series. Click on Create a Message. You'll have the option to create an autoresponder series using the drag-and-drop email builder, which will allow you to use templates to edit your emails, the plain text message editor to create text-only messages, and the HTML editor for advanced users. Let's use the plain text message editor for training purposes. Enter your subject line in the field above. Use the Personalize menu on the top left to let the autoresponder input subscriber data personalize the message, and create your message in the text field. Use the clip icon on the bottom left to insert an attachment if you have one. Click on Save and Exit when you are finished. You'll see that your new autoresponder message is on a content box to the left. Click on Send Options and customize your autoresponder series. Sending the right type of traffic to your squeeze page. You created an amazing squeeze page, and you have included an awesome lead magnet to promote on it. It looks juicy, and it has been great so far. You told everyone about it, and you promoted it heavily on your website. It did very well in the beginning, but right now it is hardly pulling any traffic, and you're not getting any subscribers. This scenario is more common than it sounds, and that is exactly what happens when you are not attracting the right type of traffic to your squeeze page. No matter how well designed your squeeze page is, no matter how convincing its headline is, or how great a freebie you are offering, it will do nothing for you and your business if people are not finding it. You may have thought about using paid advertising to attract people and get them to join your subscriber list, but doing so goes a bit against your goal here. We are not saying that there is no place for paid advertising, but there are other methods that will help you effectively attract qualifying leads, both free and paid. Traffic from social media engagement. Social media is one of the greatest sources of traffic for anything on the internet, mainly because that's where most of your audience is going to hang out. Now, you have to consider that different social networks are used by different types of people, and you should know where your audience is. Start by taking a look at what channels your audience is spending time on, be it Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and others. Now, create a company profile for your business in the social media of your audience's choice. This will help you increase brand awareness and enhance your relationships with customers. Once you have established a presence in social media, you have to learn how to properly promote your content to get people to your squeeze page and sign up. Use the following principles and you'll see your incoming traffic explode. Automate your blog posts and website updates to be uploaded to your social media channels when they go live. And make sure to include your squeeze page in the form of a splash page in there. Post image articles and videos as how-to resources and include a call to action button that leads to your squeeze page. This is a great strategy because these types of posts are considered relevant by social media algorithms and can drive a great deal of traffic to your landing pages. Traffic from solo ads. This strategy is not exactly free, but it is not as costly as paid advertising and is much more effective for getting truly qualified leads to subscribe to your list through your squeeze page. Solo ads is a way of promoting your content by means of third-party subscriber lists. This basically means that your squeeze page will be sent to people that are subscribed to a third-party subscriber list. It works in a similar fashion to paid advertising in that you have to pay a royalty to the list owners in order for them to email your content to their subscribers. The great advantage of doing this is that your squeeze page will be emailed to a good number of qualifying leads, people who are already interested in what you have to offer and are aware that they are being emailed your squeeze page for promotional purposes. Traffic from email marketing optimization. You might think that once your emails go through, they are done with their job, or that emails are a one-way tool that should be used for specific types of communication only. The truth is that you can get more traffic by optimizing your emails. There are two ways to optimize your emails to get more traffic to your squeeze page. The first way is by including social sharing and forwarding buttons on your newsletters. Remember, this is still content for your audience, and you have to treat them much like you would treat a post on your website. This will encourage people to share or forward a piece of content of their liking, and people that receive the content will be shown your squeeze page because you will feature it on each page of your blog or website. Include a text URL leading to your squeeze page on your support emails. This means that people contacting you on email with inquiries will have the option to opt in through a call to action included as a signature in all your support emails.